Alright, what is going on, guys? Today we're going to be reviewing the everything we've learned in the last, I want to say, 5 to 6 videos. So we're going to put it all together, how to use variables, how to manipulate variables, everything so far that we've learned together. And if you're tuning in for the first time, I do recommend taking a look at the videos above this in the playlist and seeing um, what you need to work on. Or if you just want to go ahead and watch this first and do it, that works as well. But what's the use of having variables if you can't do anything with them? So we've now seen some ways you can operate on variables and compare them. The possibilities are virtually endless. So we've covered the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, the modulo, the compound assignment operators. So basically everything above and just equals to automatically do it without retyping the variable name twice. And then the order of operations, remember it's parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division slash modulo, and then addition and subtraction. Um, Real life PEMDAS applies here as well. So, and then greater than and less than. Then we have the equal to and the not equal to, and then the greater than or equal to and the less than or equal to. The dot equals method for strings and other objects, using plus to concatenate strings, and then the final keyword, which makes variables unchangeable. So we're going to practice the concepts here to make sure that we have the solid foundation. So this is a longer video definitely, but I think if you stick together and practice these, you'll be able to master the basics. So it's mostly about practice here. All right, to review, let's try building some of the bank account functionality we talked about throughout the lesson. First, create a new double variable called updated balance and store balance with amount to withdraw subtracted from it. All right, so I have a double variable called updated balance, which is equal to, let me clear this, which is equal to the balance minus the amount to withdraw. Okay. Mm, did you create and set it equal to balance? Yeah, that's what I did, right? Updated balance. Oh. See, like when you mistype something, it just throws everything off. Now you've decided to split your balance evenly 3 ways and give it to your 3 best friends. Create a double variable called amount for each friend that holds your updated balance divided by 3. So we'll do another double and amount for each friend that's going to equal the updated balance divided by 3. Perfect. Now your friends each want to buy a concert ticket with the money you've given them. The tickets cost $150. Create a boolean called can purchase ticket and set it equal to whether or not amount for each friend is at least enough to purchase a concert ticket. Then then print it out. All right, so then we'll have the boolean can purchase tickets, and we set it equal to amount for each friend is enough for the concert tickets. How much is the concert ticket? So concert ticket is $250. So we'll do 250. Oh my bad. I think it's like this. System dot out dot print line, and then can purchase tickets. I think that works perfect. Now, how much money did you give your friends anyway? Use the plus and the print to print out. I gave each friend blank with the variable. Okay, so basically it's asking to concatenate a string, or we can do it in a print statement as well. So we can do something like I gave each friend, and then add the amount for each friend. Let's try that. I gave each friend. Oh, it needs the 3 dots after this. Okay, makes sense. Okay, so we can just do plus and then dot dot dot. Let's try running that. Perfect. And that is going to end this module, manipulating variables. So up next, we'll be learning about the classes and objects. So this video, in the next video, I'll be linking this video, but I won't be showcasing it on the channel. I'll be doing what's after this, so stay tuned for this. And classes and objects are really important, especially in object-oriented programming. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next one.